Currently just made it to Jordan's house, and a coincidence, he just opened the garage, so we're probably about to get started. In case you guys didn't know, not too long ago I just got a car. This is what it looks like. It's my baby right here, for sure, for sure. And then this is Jordan's baby. KDM, do not sleep on them. They are coming up. Probably have been up, but still.
Why you park like that, bro?
And then you got the man himself, Jay Bizzle.
Why you park like that?
Because this big old truck is blocking my parking spot.
Gotta move it.
Man, this thing is clean. Look at the fitment on it.
You should have waited for that.
Oh my gosh. Bro, it looks so clean.
When you gonna post this video, dude?
As soon as I get done editing it.
2,000 years later.
This shit is clean, dog. I love those taillights. Oh, damn, just ran into the truck. Damn. All right. Well, we'll get back to you once everything is all started, and I'm gonna record some reds. I think like some 3K.
Yes,
And
sir.
a red line on stock right now, and then after, when we add the cold air intake, that's when we're gonna get you some real noise. We'll be back soon. Peace out.
Almost the installation process.